Alright, the Infinix Zero 30 5G was launched today at Venice, Italy, and here's a quick recap of what to expect. First things first, the design. The Infinix Zero 30 looks pretty much like the Note 30, mind you, with a larger camera bump and curved edges. It is a 5G device with an IP53 dust and splash resistant rating, which is a nice touch. The back is made out of glass for the golden hour color variant and leather for the Rome green color variant. They both have plastic frames and a protection of Corning Gorilla Glass 5 for their displays. And speaking of displays, the Infinix Zero 30 has a 6.7-inch curved display. It is AMOLED and has a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. So a 1080p display, check. 144Hz refresh rate and 360Hz touch sampling rate, check. HDR10 support, check. And a peak brightness of 950 nits, check. So overall, display specs are good. For software, the Zero 30 is running on Android 13, which I totally didn't expect. I was looking forward to the likes of Android 14. However, XOS 13 on Android 13 is still fine. Let's hope we get software updates for at least 2 years. Fingers crossed on that. Now, the main highlight of the Infinix Zero 30 has to be the camera. The selfie camera actually. It has a 50 megapixel selfie camera, which I can't see how well it performs yet, but I would like to think it takes really nice selfies and videos since it is being dubbed as a vlogging camera. It can shoot videos up to 4K 60 frames per second. At the rear, we get a triple camera setup, a 108 megapixel camera as well as an ultra wide and a depth camera capable of shooting videos at 4K 60 frames per second as well. This year, Infinix decided to go all out with 21GB of RAM, which is 12GB of actual RAM, then 9GB of virtual RAM. And to be honest, I don't think anyone should even activate that 9GB of virtual RAM. 12GB of RAM is already plenty for most people. The MediaTek Dimensity 8020 is the processor of choice in the Infinix Zero 30. It is a 6nm processor, which means it is efficient and powerful. It is however not as powerful as the MediaTek Dimensity 8050 on the Camon 20 Pro 5G and the Infinix GT10 Pro. Now, powering the Infinix Zero 30 is a 5000 mAh battery that is capable of 68 watts fast charging. You know, all the good stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much it on the Infinix Zero 30. Full video covering the details and specs coming soon, and maybe a comparison with another device of its class. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.